Hi Violins, this is a rundown of the Violin 2 part of Blue and Gold by Ewing, which I think is a great piece. As I already mentioned in the first violin video, it's a great piece to really challenge you on your dynamics, getting that really soft sound in mezzo piano, that nice bold sound in mezzo forte, and pushing up into a fuller, grander sound of that forte dynamic that happens twice in the piece. As you're practicing it, definitely get in front of a mirror, practice your contact points, so when you're actually bowing what we want to call lane 3, you're actually going to be in the mezzo forte area. As we push into mezzo piano, we're going to get closer to the fingerboard, trying our best to maintain the same bow speed. This will help us give us a characteristic sound of our softer dynamics that's still full yet light. And as we actually get to mezzo forte, we're going to push into a forte realm when we crescendo there at measure 29 and at the end at 36 and 37. Really important to get closer to the bridge, not on top of the bridge for that ponticello sound, but just really like lane 4, which is just right up, getting close there. Keeping that same bow speed and actually just increasing our bow weight just a little bit will help us give that edge to really push that sound into the forte realm to our instrument is louder and fuller, but not screaming and harsh or anything like that. As you're practicing, practice with the metronome. I'm taking this at 100 beats per minute, and if you're not able to take it at that tempo, practice with a metronome with yourself and really bring the tempo up to about 100 or really 110 or even 120, whatever it is that your orchestra is actually building it up to. But I think honestly 100 is a good running pace for this piece. It's like I said, just to really bring out those dynamics. It's that way we're not going too fast, we're not going too slow to where we get bored, but we're going just the right speed to really bring out those volume textures. So I'm gonna hit the metronome, I'm gonna get started with this. So here is Blue and Gold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so that's Blue and Gold by Ewing. As you're practicing this piece, it's great to get your part worked up. One thing you'll notice is that the Violin 1 and Violin 2 part have the same rhythm at the same time. The difference is just a handful of measures where you actually have different notes. For instance, measure 4. But it'll be really important that you actually keep your tempo and you really stay on task with your note. That way you can learn to blend your intonation, that is your tuning, with their intonation. So as always, happy practicing and good luck.